Hey y'all, it's your girl Courtney Marie and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. And today I woke up feeling like I want to do some fall makeup, so let's get into the video. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. The fall look that I'm going for, I want to do like a brown lip. I want to do a brown lip. I used to do brown lips all the time, like when I was, you know, younger. And I want to bring that back. So I want to do like a brown lip or something like that. I don't know. We're gonna see. So for primers, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. This is really good for like getting rid of those pores. And I'm also going to go in with my Refy Primer for a nice glow and a nice sticky consistency for my foundation to stick to. So I am going in with my NARS. This is the Soft Matte Concealer and I'm using the shade Biscuit. And I want to go for a full coverage look, so I'm just going to apply this under my eyes to brighten them up a bit more under my foundation. And I'm going to let it dry down before I apply my foundation. Alright, so foundation, I am using my MAC. So I have two shades here because I don't know which one is my shade. I have the NW45 and the NC55. So we're gonna figure out which one I'm gonna use. I know the NW45, this one is a 24-hour matte foundation with oil control. This one is just a broad spectrum. Okay, it might be the NW45. Okay, so I got it all blended out. Oh my gosh, this is giving like full glam. It's giving matte. It's giving what it needs to give. So next I'm gonna go in with bronzer. So during the fall and the summer, to be honest, I'm just a bronze type of girl. I love bronzer. I love the warmth that it adds to my face. So I'm gonna go in with my dipstick and it's in the shade 6. And I'm gonna just go ahead and bronze my face. Y'all, I'm doing all this and I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I hate being like full glam and going places because, you know, you get stares. And yeah, I mean, a lot of people, you know, they compliment. They say, oh, your makeup is so pretty, you know. So I'm thinking they're staring because of my makeup and I guess how I look. But it's like, I hate drawing attention to myself. And honestly, I don't even have any more makeup wipes, so I need to put that on my list of things to get. So next is blush. Usually for the fall, I love the dark warm blushes for, you know, us brown skinned women. However, for blush, I'm using my Patrick Ta. It's giving peach, and I love peach on me. So it's in the shade She's the Moment. So I'm just going to apply this right on top of that bronzer. Okay. So it's nice and subtle. It's not doing a lot. That's what I want. I don't want a real, you know, heavy blush today. So next, I think I want to do my eyes before I hop into concealer. So I'm bringing out my Patrick Ta. This is the Major Dimension 3 eyeshadow palette. One of my favorite palettes. I use it all the time. It got the best neutral, natural shades in it. So I'm going to take this brown shade here as my transition shade, and I'm gonna just start blending that into my crease. And y'all, I honestly do not wear eyeshadow anymore. I do a nice beads, natural bead, and I walk out. Make sure my eyebrows done, and I go. So it's been a while since I've done eyeshadow. Now I'm just taking the next darker brown shade, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Not really blending it out, but just packing that into my crease. So now, this is a oldie but a goodie. This is my Morphe Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and as you can see, it got all the nice warm fall colors in it. I'm gonna mix these two orange shades and just put it right on top of that transition shade, just to add more color, more dimension. Okay, and I think I want to do a shimmer shade on my eyelid today. So for my lid shade, out of the same palette, I am using the shade Boom, which is this color right here. I think it'll be pretty. I don't want to do like a gold eyelid because I kind of want to do like a brown lip, and I think that'll be too much. So I'm gonna see how this color looks. We're gonna try it out and see. It's very pretty. Yeah, she'll do. Yeah. Yeah. She's giving. She's giving. So I'm gonna place her all over my lid. And I think I'm gonna smoke her out. So. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna go back into my Patrick Ta Major Dimensions eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna smoke it out a little bit. And there we have it. That is my eyeshadow look, my fall eyeshadow look. I think it's giving. I think it's really cute. Not doing a lot. I picked the right colors, so I am definitely happy with it. Alright, so now I'm gonna do mascara and lashes, and I'm gonna go back to the face. So this is the lash glue that I use. I get it from Amazon, and I love it. I had no problems out of this glue since I've been using it. It is the black adhesive, so it does not, you know, dry clear or any of that. It is black. So usually I don't go in with eyeliner because I use this. So I'm gonna just apply this, and honestly I hate using eyeliner. Eyeliner is like, it'll make or break your eyeshadow look. If you're not careful, you're gonna mess up. So I just use this, and I put my lash right on top of it, and you can't even really tell that I haven't used eyeliner. So the lashes that I'm using are from Amazon, and I put glue on the strip as well. Now let's get into lashes, because a lot of girls be like, oh my gosh, I don't do strips, I can't do strips. You a strip type of girl. I am, and is. My eyes are super sensitive, so like even putting in my contacts, like my eyes are very sensitive. So I really don't think that I can handle individual lashes. You know, just doing strip lashes is one less thing I have to worry about. Like I can just take them off, go to sleep, and that's the end of it. But I don't know, y'all. Okay, y'all, so lashes are on, lashes are curled. So next is concealer. We're going back to the face. So I have my full coverage concealers, my hourglass concealers. I have 3 of them. And yeah, let's apply them. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna do the lightest shade here, the second lightest shade here, and then the darker shade here. So I'm using 3 different shades. I have the shade Maple, which is the darkest one that I have, and then I have Dune and Flax. And that darker shade I'm gonna apply everywhere else. So my chin and my forehead, and usually I do my nose, but I'm gonna do my nose last. So I'm gonna blend it out, and usually I just contour my nose last, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna let this dry down, and then I'm going to blend it all out. I'm gonna take this Real Techniques 336 brush and blend out my concealer. Okay, everything is blended out with my brush. Next, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just go over everything. I'm gonna wet it with my Charlotte Tilbury spray, Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And y'all, this concealer is so full coverage. This is like one of the best full coverage concealers that I've used. So setting powders that I'm using is my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is the shade 2 medium, and this is the pressed powder. And then I'm gonna go in with my Banana Bread Huda Beauty loose setting powder afterwards. And this method has been working well for me as far as like my concealer is not creasing and just lasting all day, you know, doesn't look too cakey, too greasy. Alright, so while I am baking, and I'm not going to bake for long because usually I don't bake, but I used a lot of makeup today. While I'm baking, I am going to go in with my powder blush and my powder bronzer and then my face powder. For powder bronzer, I'm using one of my favorites, my Christian Dior, and it's in the shade 40 Deep Matte. And I'm basically going to go over the perimeter of my face and everywhere that I place the dipstick. Let me find a brush. And that is my powder bronzer. Now I'm gonna go in again with my Patrick Ta blush, and I'm gonna use the powder, and I'm gonna go over where I put the cream blush. Period, pool. Period. So now I am going to do my face powder, and of course I've been using it for a while now, my Fenty Beauty matte foundation face powder. It is in the shade 460. So I'm gonna get rid of all of that loose powder with this, and this basically helps get everything together, get rid of any harsh lines, you know, just blends everything together. All right, so I went over everywhere with this powder. I am going to contour my nose. This is one of the last steps, the last things that I do. But real quick, I'm going to give my face a spray with this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. It smells so good. So I am going back in with my Christian Dior, and I use powder to contour my nose. I don't know, it just works better for me. So I always start at the eyebrow, and I just bring my way down to the tip of my nose. And I always like to do a little, make a little circle at the end of it. A little 1 2 1 2. Is it giving a nose job? Alright, now I'm gonna blend it out. Of course, to set everything in place, one size. This duo, of course, been raving about it for so long, and it's still that girl. To my bottom lash line, I'm gonna apply this NYX Jumbo eye pencil. It's in the shade Ice Latte. It's like a It's kind of like a nice nude type of shade. So I'm gonna just apply that to my lower lash line. Okay, and of course apply my Fenty mascara. I need to get some more of this, by the way. All right, y'all, last step, lips. Is this look still giving like a brown lip? I think it'll be cute. I think it'll be cute. Let me see what lips I got, what lipsticks I got. All right, y'all, so if we're going brown, I'm gonna need like a dark brown type lip pencil. So I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline lifter liner, and it's in the shade Cross the Line. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I want to do a brown lip anymore. We'll do it, see how it look, but I don't know. Just me doing my lip liner, I want to do like a, I don't know. Anyway, this is the Fenty Winn'r is the shade, and it is brown. Let's see how this looks. Y'all, I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared. Oh, is this matte? Okay, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Okay. I'm not mad at it. I haven't worn like a dark lip in so long. But it's okay. It's giving, I guess. And it is matte, y'all. This is giving me like nostalgia vibes, because y'all remember 2000s makeup, nothing but matte lips, dark eyeliner, like it's giving back in the day. It's giving back in the day. Just to add, just like, because I'm extra, just to add just a little bit more, I'm going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in the shade Peach Amber. It's the lip velvet. It's matte as well, and I'm just going to apply this like in my inner, what is this called? The middle of my lip. That's where I'm going to put it. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I am in love with this makeup look. It's definitely giving fall. It's giving all the things that it needs to give. And yeah, I love it. I love the way that it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. And I will see y'all on my next video. Bye. And I was still through it all. That's the crazy part.